Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Oops. Hi guys. So I did try to film at the airport, but we were running late, and Lewis got a big old cut on his hand. But we are in LA, and we're gonna go look at some apartments. So come with us. So that was a big fail on the first one. The agent didn't show up, so hopefully we get to reschedule that one. But we have like 3 more to see, and then we have some tomorrow. So yeah, we did sign, well, we didn't sign that one. We have one on hold for now, and we are gonna see that one too later. But yeah, we're just exploring our options. And it's really weirdly cold here in LA. It's not the vibe. He's got the sweatshirt and a jacket on. It's so cold.
Not a good start to our Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
100%. That's fire. It's a cool, I mean, I'm sure when the sun's out, it looks nice. Like,
It already looks
nice.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day dinner.
Hi guys, we're at Yarashimo.
Yeah,
What is it?
Marisa, whatever.
It's a rooftop restaurant in LA, and it's like up on the hills.
Japanese
We've
food.
been Asian fusion. That's what I read on the menu. We've been wanting to come here for a while, and here we are. Look at the view.
The view is amazing.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, it is day 2 in LA.
Find a car.
So yesterday we viewed like, how many apartments would you say?
6.
We viewed like, no, because we saw like 4 in one building. We saw a ton of apartments, like probably 8, I would say. There are 2 that we really love and that we are really debating. It was a little awkward to bring you guys to film, but we are going again today, so I'll try to film some then. But yeah, anyways, we're like really tired.
Yes.
It's like 9 a.m. here, but like last night we went out to dinner too, and like we've just been non-stop go, 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 so we are so tired.
I really am exhausted.
But today we just have 3 apartments to see, and we fly out at like 3 in the afternoon. So literally such a quick trip. But we'll try to show you the apartments today and whatever we do today. Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Hey guys, welcome. It's big. Look, it goes all the way over there.
Oh.
Very big. That's another bathroom.
Yeah. Oh, the balcony is nice. Okay, we just left that one. That one, we've already kind of said sorry. We ran to the car because it's freezing out. Oh, no. What is this like weird little,
I don't know. Should we drive through the other one again?
we did like that one. However, it is like an outdated apartment that they tried to, or they renovated, but they kept like the white appliances and then like the kitchen, like the white cabinets. It just makes it feel older. No?
It's just one of those apartments that's had so many layers of paint.
Oh my god,
that you
it's
can
not
just
focused.
tell. You could just tell there's like 25 layers of paint
Yeah. Yeah.
on the walls.
But like the layout of it is really nice. It had a fireplace, and you guys didn't see this, but it had a massive balcony. Like Milo would love that.
Yeah.
But as far as like one of the downfalls though that we're looking for is it didn't have in-unit washer dryer. So yeah.
Location was good too.
The location was good, and then the price isn't bad either. So yeah, I think it's just like it comes down to the cosmetic stuff that we didn't really like in the in-unit.
Yes.
But it's a solid apartment for someone else.
Yes, if you're looking for an apartment, go look.
Oh my god, it keeps not focusing. Okay, what's the plan now?
Go eat, get some coffee.
Wait, I need to get a sweater though or something. It's
I have one for you
freezing.
right there. We're at Fab's favorite place in the world. Earth Cafe.
Is it actually your favorite?
No, I said your favorite.
Oh no, but you said earlier it's one of your favorites. Was it?
Breakfast wise, they're always consistent and good.
Those
About to get
hands.
into this.
What?
About to get into this.
You're so weird. Okay guys, we are back from LA and now it's crunch time. We are really starting to pack. The room's a mess.
Everything's a mess.
Milo's worried.
Our life is a mess.
It really is. So yeah, we ended up picking a apartment. We're really excited for you guys to see it. The LA trip was really fast, but we just literally went to look at apartments.
There for 24 hours.
I think it was a little longer, but
A day though. In and out.
it was really fast. But
Non-stop.
we're excited for the move and not excited to pack though.
Yeah, we still had time for Earth.
We did. Okay guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for our more moving vlogs.